Hi there, this is my demo for task 10. So let's start with the backend side. Yeah, so here, as you can see, I added one new endpoint, summarize. It takes the list of from questions and send them to Llama with a prompt asking for a short, encouraging summary of area to improve. Same pattern as the hint and explanation endpoints. Yeah, so here in results activity, so this is the new data pipeline because the original just displayed the score and explanation, right? So what I've added is this save quiz history method. So after calculating the score, it loops through every question and then grabs the user's answer and the correct answer and then checks if it's correct and then inserts a quiz history entry into room with the topic and the question text and also the options as JSON and then a timestamp because without this, the new future would have nothing to show, right? Next, we have profile activity. So here, as you can see in Uncreate, it pulls the users from the room and then sets the username and email in the header, and then it calls load stats. So here, load stats run three DAO queries: get total questions, get correct count, and then get incorrect count, and then sets those numbers on the stat cards, right? Next, we have request summary. So here it fires when the user taps summarize by AI, and then it pulls the history, and then filters out incorrect answers, and then builds a string of wrong questions, and then post it to the summarize endpoints I just show you, and then the response gets displayed with the fade in animation, and a share profile with the formatted text string with the user stats and the lunches as action sends so the user can share the any app on their device. Next, we have history adapter Java file. So here, the history queries all the quiz histories entries for the current user stored by timestamp and then passes them to the history adapter. So if the list is empty, it shows a placeholder message. And then here in the adapter unbind view holder sets the topic badge and question text. So the idea it pairs the stored options and JSON back into a list and color codes each options. So green for the correct answer and red for the user's wrong pick, and then gray for everything else. So the expand and collapse uses alpha animation with the tracked set of positions, right? So here in upgrade activity, it has three tier cards. So each purchases button calls show payment dialog with the tier name and price. And then we have show payment dialog, which inflates a custom layout style like a real Google Pay sheet with the logo, payment method, and a confirm button. Like tapping the pay dismisses the dialog and shows a success dose, and the flow is simulated since Google Pay billing requires a paid developer account. Okay, now let me create a new account. Okay, let me take the quiz. Okay, so I continue. Now let me tap the icon. As you can see, got the stats, total questions, correctly answered, incorrect answer, and history and upgrade. Let's type summarize by AI. You can see we've got the summarize. Your user experience design skills are off to a great start. It's just a matter of fine tuning to improve focus. Okay, let me tap history. As you can see, this is my history. three questions. You can see the hard-coded colors, green and red. I upgrade. Here's my three tiers. Starter, see, Google Pay, and Tap Pay. See, payment successful. Also do for the three others. We share. Here we can share whatever we need.